Every AI journey begins with a question. Which opportunities will truly create impact? For many organizations, that's the hardest part. Ideas surface in meetings, but without a clear process, execution feels uncertain. That's where the AI Discovery Card Workshop comes in. It's a hands-on session designed to help your team identify, structure, and prioritize high-impact AI opportunities. Using interactive AI discovery cards and our in-house platform, AVAIgnite, teams can capture ideas, shape them into structured use cases, receive detailed budget proposals, including timelines, cost estimates, and even MCI funding eligibility. And throughout the process, you're guided by Microsoft-certified AI Discovery Card experts, ensuring every step fits seamlessly into your workflows. With AVAIgnite, insights turn into clear recommendations and reports, helping your team move from discovery to action faster than ever. So why wait? Join the AI Discovery Card Workshop and transform your ideas into measurable impact today. Reach out to our experts at sales@avasoft.com. We're here to help you get started.